You've got mouth-watering recipes and now you're ready to share them with the world. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple overhead smartphone setup you can use for both photos and video, so you can capture great shots while cooking or baking. Perfect for sharing family recipes, making blogs or vlog content, or posting on social media. Welcome back to Platypod TV. I'm Riley Arthur. I come from a baking family and I always bake from scratch. This is a second video in a two-part series. In the first video, I showed a simple tripod setup for capturing first-person baking tutorials. If you missed it, I've linked it in the description below. Today, I'm walking you through how to create a clean, stable overhead shot for photos or video of your baking process. Start by considering your frame. Set up a clean surface and pay attention to what's sitting on the edges of your frame. Overhead ambient light can work, but if you want a more polished look, a single direct light angled down over your setup does wonders. For this demo, I'm using a C-stand positioned directly over the counter at a 90-degree angle. In the first video, I used the Platypod Mag Deluxe set, and I'm bringing it back today, but in a completely new way. I mounted the Platypod disc onto the C-stand rather than using the basic plus plate which comes with the Mag Deluxe set, because the C-stand had a 3/8-inch socket. Then I attached the Platypod Mag Grip. I positioned the mag grip so the connection point faced upwards, then added the Platypod charge pad and wrapped the cable around the stand to keep it out of the way. Once plugged in, then I mounted my phone. It was stable, secure, and charging throughout the entire shoot.
There are two different ways to get this effect if you don't have a C-stand. The first is with a tabletop tripod, a Platypod handle, and a mag grip. You can see the full clip of the setup on my stop motion video. I'll link it below. You can also raise a tripod and tilt the head to connect two Platypod handles and connect a Platypod mag grip and the Platypod charge pad. 3 setups depending on the gear you have and what you want to use.
Next, I started baking pies. With my phone overhead and within arm's reach, I could easily capture photos and video of every step of the process without the setup getting in my way. Just remember to check your framing throughout. It's easy to nudge your baking project out of the frame while you're baking, so just keep an eye on your phone from time to time. Remember to keep your surface tidy and be mindful of what enters the shot. This setup is perfect for food vloggers or anyone interested in a step-by-step tutorial. It even works for stop motion. With the Platypod Mag Deluxe set, you can combine the first-person shots from part 1 with these overhead shots for a start-to-finish baking video, or use them separately depending on your style. And that's it, a simple, reliable way to document your cooking or baking process using your smartphone and minimal gear. For more photography conversations, insights, and tutorials, be sure to like and subscribe. If you try this setup or use Platypod gear in any future shoot, tag us. We would love to see what you create. For more of my work, follow me on Instagram. Until next time, stay creative, happy shooting, and I will catch you in the next frame.